classmates, we will discuss to you the countermeasure to loss of watertight integrity advantages and disadvantages. The member of this group is Ramos, Sarmiento, Victorio, Regacho, Rivera, and Viernes. Introduction. Watertight integrity ensures the buoyancy and the stability of ships and offshore structures. Number 2, loss of watertight integrity can cause flooding, loss of stability, and even sinking. Lastly, various countermeasures seeks to prevent or mitigate this risk.
Watertight doors and hatches. Watertight doors and hatches are designed to prevent water ingress between compartments in case of hull advantage. Effectively isolates flooding in specific compartments, preventing progressive flooding, and enhance survivability of the vessel in emergency situation. And last is can be manually or automatically operated for quick response. Disadvantage: improper sealing of failure to close can lead to water increase. Number 2 is requires regular maintenance to ensure proper functionality. And last is can pose an obstacle to crew movement in emergencies.
Sarmiento.
Double hull compartmentalization. A double hull structure provides an extra layer of protection against breaches. Advantages: reduces the risk of hull penetration from collisions or grounding. Second, additional compartments help contain flooding and maintain stability. And last, increases environmental protection by preventing all spills.
Victorio.
Advantage: increases construction and maintenance costs. Second, reduces available cargo or operational space. And last, can be difficult to inspect and repair due to complex internal structures.
Victorio.
Bilge and ballast system. Bilge pump remove unwanted water, while ballast system help maintain stability by controlling water levels. Advantages: prevent excessive water accumulation, improving vessel stability. Automated system ensure quick response in emergencies, help maintain proper trim and balance of the vessel. Disadvantages: pump failure can lead to flooding and loss of control. Requires continuous maintenance to prevent clogging and system failure. Can be affected by power loss during emergencies.
Regacho.
Damage control. Reduce and training crew training and emergency response drills help ensure proper response to water ingress situations. Advantages: improve crew preparedness and response time. Number 2, reduce panic and enhance coordination during emergencies. Number 3, allows for early detection and contaminant of leak. Disadvantage: requires continuous training and refresh courses. Number 2, effectiveness depends on crew experience and reaction time. Last, indicate training can lead to improper handling of watertight equipment.
Rivera.
Hull strengthening and regular inspection. Ensuring the structural integrity of the hull, stroke reinforcements, and periodic inspection minimize the risk of breaches. Advantages. Number 1, proactivity prevents loss watertight integrity. Number 2, identify weak points and potential failures before they occur. Number 3, enhance overall safety and lifespan of the vessel. Disadvantages. Number 1, require significant financial investment. Number 2 is inspection may necessitate dry docking leading to operational downtime. Number 3, structural modifications can add weight and reduce efficiency.
Conclusion of this topic: maintaining watertight integrity is essential for the safety and operational efficiency of the ship and offshore structures. Each countermeasure has distinct advantage and disadvantage, and their effectiveness depends on the proper implementation, maintenance, and crew training. A combination of this countermeasure ensures optimal protection against the water increase, minimizing the risk of catastrophic failures. That's all. Thank you for your listening.